This is project number 2, video number 1, the one in which we do the pencil on paper part. We're supposed to write a MATLAB function which calls the MATLAB function you wrote last week and uses it to make a graph of the percent mechanical energy lost in the collision that we had going on last week. Alright, so let's write an outline of the code is all we need. Step 1. So there is no algebraic solution for this part, and that's reflected in the grading checklist. This particular project requires no algebraic solution. So let's make an array call it M1 of M sub 1, which is the mass of object 1, values probably about 100 values. I'll try 100 values and see how that works. If the graph doesn't look smooth enough, then I'll use more. From, it was 0.01 kilograms to 10 kilograms. That should be a lowercase k there. Let's just check to make sure that's right. Yeah, 0.01 kilograms to 10 kilograms. Alright. Then 2, use a function from project 1. To calculate the value of percent mechanical energy lost for each value of M sub 1 in array M1. Store results in array, call it percent ME, capitalize, and then lost. You can call it whatever you want. You can call this array whatever you want, but it should indicate what the value represents. Store results in array percent ME lost. And then 3, plot, I'm going to write it like this, M1, that's the array M1, comma, percent ME, I want that all to be one, entity, no spaces, percent ME lost, and that'll actually do it. Now here's the thing, this last line, you could have written that out and said graph percent ME lost versus M1, or as a function of the mass of object number 1. I chose to write it this way because this is the actual MATLAB command. Actually, if I name the arrays what I said I was going to name them, and you should name them what you think is best, this will be the exact MATLAB command. So one of the points here is that you can use MATLAB commands right in your outline of steps. it should be easy to read by humans, but you say plot, that essentially means graph, so that's easy to read by humans, and you don't have to think exactly how it's got to be programmed up, but sometimes it's easier, it's so concise to write just this, which is the same thing as plot percent, the percent mechanical energy loss versus the mass of object number 1. I've already defined all these things, the array M1, and I actually should say plot the percent energy loss array versus the M1 array. But this is an easy way of doing it, and this actually represents the end of project number 2, video number 1.